ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang.
Hinahanap ko ulo, pero di nila alam. Everybody, nandun sa Coach Bamboo!
And always a
It's always a
pleasure.
pleasure to perform with you. Coach, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Qatar. To our producer, salamat po.
And Sarah, the pleasure is all mine. Thank you very much in Qatar. Thank you for having this energy, giving us this great night tonight. Are you guys having a good time?
Shout out sa lahat! Shout out sa lahat! Shout out sa lahat po ng mga popstars! Maraming salamat sa inyo! Na nandito na ngayon sa Qatar. At sa lahat po ng Ashboo! Thank you!
And to everyone who helped make this show possible once again, thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Once again, thank you po for coming here at the Qatar National Convention Center.